Hi, I'm Curtis Bodies and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is just going to be a very quick video of how I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your Easy Equities. This video is add on to a video made I think previously where I show you how to basically protect yourself from getting hacked, or possibly just decrease the chances of you getting hacked online and losing all your Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So enabling two-factor authentication is very important if you're going to be in the space where you are having Bitcoin or any cryptocurrencies online. So adding this layer of security to all your other accounts is very important, just to add that layer of security. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like on this video, and also make sure to share to get this video out to more people and show them how to enable two-factor authentication on any of their accounts. But in today's video, we're going to enable two-factor authentication on the Easy Equities, but this basically applies to any other platform where you will be using online. So on the case of Easy Equities, you're going to have to go to your profile on the right, where you will see your profile, add-on, tax information, all the general information. There's gonna be a option which shows two-factor authentication. So we'll be clicking on that. And now, as you can see, it's going to show you Easy ID. Now it's going to show you manage two-factor authentication devices. As you can see, there's no devices on this account, so we'll just say register device. Now you will see it will give a unique key. So this key is very important because I'll be showing you how to install an app on the phone, but this key basically on the screen is a key. If you lose your phone and you enter this key onto the two-factor authentication, you can basically get your account back, your two-factor authentication code back. But if you lose this code and you enable it, basically you're gonna have to, there is some applications do have where you can get this back, but most of the applications do not have a way of getting your account back. So if you do enable, make sure to write this down, and make sure you write it down correctly and write it down on a piece of paper, and basically store it in a safe, secure environment where it can't be like get wet or basically losing this code. So this code on screen is very important. So for the two-factor authentication, you're gonna have to download a two-factor authentication app via the Play Store, and make sure it's via the Play Store. So let's just go to the Play Store. So you will basically just go into Apple Play Store or Google Play Store and then just search authentication. Once you search it, as you can see, there's going to be many options. Make sure to whichever one works for you the best, but you can see Microsoft and Google has the most downloads. So in today's video, I'm just going to be using Google. So after you've downloaded it, you'll get to the app. As you can see, authentication app, and here's the app is basically just a screen where it will have all your apps where you enable two-factor authentication on. So besides that, you can just see how it works. Stronger security with Google authentication. Get verified codes for all your accounts using two-step authentication. Next, simple setup using your camera. So basically, you scan the camera or you can enter it via the code. But in today's video, we'll be just scanning it, and I'm just going to show you briefly if you wanted to use via the code online. So just say next, Unicode used to sign in, cloud syncing, and that's it. So once you have that, you can see there's a plus icon at the bottom of the screen. So if you did that, you can see scan QR code or enter setup key. So base back to your application where you see you just enter that code or you'll scan the QR code. But make sure to write, like I said, make sure to write that QR in case your phone gets stolen and you're not able to remember the QR code, and then you won't be able to sign into your account. So make sure to write it down. So I'm just gonna use my phone. I'm gonna say scan QR code, and then we're gonna basically scan the QR code, and there we scanned it. As you can see at the bottom, it shows Easy Equities, its code and so forth. So now my account is basically connected. So to link up to make sure Easy Equities know that you have the code, there's going to be a code that basically changes every 30 seconds on your authentication device. So we just click that code, and this changes every 30 seconds. So now once you click in the code, it will show success managed two-factor authentication. As you can see, successfully registered two-factor authentication on this app, and it shows basically the app. So next time you log on to Easy Equities, it will ask you for your password, and then it will ask for two-factor authentication. So if someone does get your password, they will have to get your two-factor authentication code on your device also, which add that layer of security. So let's just show you an example. So if we just have to log back into Easy Equities. So now we just log in. But now you can see authentication app. So now they want the code on the device. So if we wanted to do that, and there we're back into the account. So that is today's video. So if you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe. Also make sure to leave a like on this video. So I'm Curtis Barties. Until next time, peace out.